This one has a 2 queen bed, and that husband actually put that there and it's so cute. And right now this is our first day, actually first night, which is we're gonna use this room because the room that's supposed to be one king is not ready, and we're so tired, so we settled for this one. And then tomorrow, until the remaining stay, we will get the 2 king bed. And this is what the rooms looks like. Pretty. And you get the carpet throughout the entire where the bed are, and then you got tiles there. That's the main door, and then to the right is the bathroom. So let's check that one first. So this is the bathroom. It's quite small. The sink. And this is the shower. So it looks like you have to shower one person at a time because it's quite small. And your sink, and then extra towels on the bottom, and then you have that separate toilet, which is kind of like the divider. And then as soon as you walk in, you have this sliding door, which is the closet. You got the safe and the iron and the iron board. So then you just slide that and it goes where your microwave, which is I like because sometimes you eat out and you have leftovers, so it's good that you can have a choice to take your leftover at the hotel so you can eat it later. As well as it has a small fridge. This is empty right now, so it comes in a smaller, your standard small fridge. So and they got a Keurig coffee machine, and then to your right there's the bed, and you have the full body mirror, and then you have the TV stand and your TV, of course. And then right here you have the desk, and it comes with 2 free water, and then your 2 trash can, and that one is a cute area. And this one is just a connecting door, but again it's locked, so it's all right. And then you have a blackout curtain, so the sun or the light won't enter. And this is the view. As you can see, it's already pretty. Let's go check it out. So this is what it looks like. We have a balcony view. It's so pretty. Actually prettier than, well, I don't know if it's prettier than Panama City Beach Resort, because there you have the ocean view as well. But I like this pool, it's nice. And then in front of us is another tower, another building that's part of the Holiday Inn Spring Disney, and as well as that one. So we'll see if tomorrow we'll be up there, so we'll see. So this is what the view for your balcony. It's quite so spacious actually. It comes 2 chairs, so you can enjoy your coffee if you just want to read a book or what have you, and then enjoy the view. So that's really nice. I like that. All right, and this is what it looks like. And from here, then this is the room a view from the balcony. So you got 2 queen bed. It's nice. You have that stand lamp, and then you have the middle, which is your table. Right there, more storage, and there's no table on the end, so. And we can't wait to sleep. This is the room that we're moving into from our day one. It's a king size bed, and it also has the couch, which is nice. And then similar to the other room, you have the desk and your TV here, and then your full body mirror. So that's really nice. And let's check out here. Don't mind that. I got to go. And similar to the other room, it has microwave, coffee maker, and a small fridge. And then right here you have the closet, the safe, and to your right here you have the bathroom. So this one is still similar to what we have the other room, and it looks like they're all the same size of a bathroom. Yeah, I believe they're similar to the other bathroom, the other room. And that's it. And let's check out the balcony. So this is the balcony. It is different from the other one. This one has that solid concrete wall here, and you got the 2 chairs. So, and this is the view from here.